It's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
But who wants to do easy things?
No, and finance and the way you look at the costs and the resources is always a key factor, right? So I think, how do you coach CXOs to view human capital as a strategic asset, not a fixed cost? Because that's what we've been discussing.
Again, very good question. I think this is something which has been very thought provoking. And I will read out something. And the reason why I'm saying I will read this out is if you want your mind to train to have a different narrative, table and a board, and will read it out for you. Which said, and I read it, I had heard it from one of these senior CEOs. He said, we have very excessive emphasis on the hard aspects of talent. However, we have very inadequate focus on the very softer aspects of it. It's a very important point when you look at it. When you're looking at your cost strategies, if you have to build your cost strategies, you can't ignore the aspect of behavior change. I'm bringing it from a different angle, not from a cost from here. And I'll take a little few seconds to explain what I mean of this is. Uh, it is important for everyone to understand that bringing in change is not easy. And I'll give you an example which is based on a study, and this study actually is eye opening. They did some study of 150,000 people across for 6 years in different countries. Out of this people, and it was purely on behavior and change. Out of this people's, approx 7,500 people had a history of a cardiac attack, which is life threatening. They had to bring only three changes. And what were the three changes? They had to bring better diet, regular exercise, and stop smoking.
Hmm.
You know what the study revealed? The study revealed that only 3% of them actually followed all the three changes that were needed.